Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block number or contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first open up your phone app. Now from here, if you want to block this unknown number, just tap here, then tap on this icon, and at the bottom you can see block option, then just tap on block, then tap on block again to confirm it. And it's done. You can see the unknown number has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a icon which means the number is blocked now. And then if you want to block any contacts, just tap on contacts and then choose the contact that you want to block. Then tap on this icon, then tap on three dots, then tap on block contact, then tap on block again to confirm it. And it's done. Now your number and contacts has been blocked successfully. Now if you want to unblock your number or contact, just tap on three dots, then go to settings option, then go to block numbers. And that's it. From here you can unblock your number or contacts. To unblock any number or contact, you have to just tap on this minus icon. And it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.